up, bitch. Fucking bolt came off my top A-arm. What the fuck? No fucking clue. It came off the fucking knuckle and the fucking nut's gone.
Oh my god.
The axle was broken anyway.
Oh. Get it up there. You can probably drive it.
I just gotta find something to hold that bitch on. My fucking A-arm bolt came off, so my A-arm came off my knuckle.
Back up a little bit, you can pull up right.
How that happened, I don't know. She's on. There's fucking like real weird ruts everywhere. Before it was kind of even, now it's not. It's battered in the water. God damn. Oops. I dunked him. Oh,
Dude, that bottom is slick. Oh, my pants are down.
I'm leaving you. Woo! Ow! Turn, bitch! I don't want to turn. I'm backing up. Watch your feet. Try to cross the ditch.
You see that can over there? Straight ahead?
Can?
Yeah. Hey, you see where that bike is right now?
Yeah.
Go push this nigga out. Spark plug went out.
That bike is good. You see that can over there? That's mine.
Watch your hand.
Brody, what you doing, Brody? How you doing?
Madden, get on the back of my bike. Oh shit.
Hey, hold on. I got a bob. Great angle your bike.
Yeah, I know. It's in neutral now.
A little bit further. It's fucking stop.
I keep going sideways.
Hold on. When you in it with it, I'll pull your bike. Alright, you should be fine. Go back to start again while we're shit, my bad.
Ow!
Go talk to Chase.
What's up, buddy? Mine too. My rad fan ain't coming on. Oh! Shitty! Shitty! He made it out.
Yeah, it's recording. It's counting down.
This might end very badly. 'Cause I don't know where this motherfucker. Now he wants to call me.
You want me to go check real quick?
Yes.
Here's that.
Cause I ain't sinking my shit.
Should I just jump in it?
We just jump.
Deep.
Go that way.
Deep, son, deep. I didn't even touch when I jumped.
Bruh, we're not even touching bottom. Hello?
Where's the bike? Oh, this needs to be up the way.
I told you this was deep.
Holy
How's it
shit.
going sideways?
Holy shit.
We in this.
Dude, there's straight PMMs and shit right there.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Oh, sorry.
There was just a bucket. We went in the wrong spot. I'm finna just throw it in 4, fuck it.
Everybody's over here. We're almost out.
Come on! Don't gas on it too much, it needs to creep on top. This shit is nasty. Oh fuck. My shirt is full of nasty shit. Alright.
Dude, holy stuff. Look, that's Bailey! Oh shit, dude. Hey, what a clutch. Look how dirty this
Bro,
shit is.
holy fuck.
Holy dig, son.
Oh, another deep spot.
We got this. Who's speaking? Hey, that
We went in on that side.
Oh, it's deep.
Yes.
Hey, like no bottom. Dude, we've been going on that, and there's that red on the right side.
No, we went on the side and there's just no bottom at all. I need new tires. Fuck these BKTs.
My tires ain't digging with no full drive in here.
thick in my floorboards. There's a big hole right there. That's a way to clean off a bike. That's a good way to clean off a bike. This shit's warm.
Hey, we was just neck deep.
Yeah, I know. I wish I had four-wheel drive.
Hey, we don't got full drive either.
It's just my left one that's spinning, my right one don't spin.
My right one spins, my left one don't. Hey, hey, give me your.
Hey, we was just neck deep.
Where?
The pond over there.
I'm about to go over there. I'll come back.
We coming back. Dude, it's opening.
Nothing. We dry.
Roller ball.
God damn, what you doing?
Take your seat off, see if the airbox is clear.
It's dry, motherfucker. There's a fucking plug at the bottom.
Huh?
Ow. I said there's a plug at the bottom.
Where y'all went to in the mall?
All over here. Not too bad. Pick it up, pick the mic up. Watch.
I'm gonna change those in.
Take it a step.
We already done left.
Hold on. I can't. You better come get it. Hey, get off the rim. Hey, over there is kind of good.
Where y'all came in from?
From that side.
Oh fuck, I'm just going that way.
I just cruised across.
At first we came in through here.
It's worse whenever you come in on that little side of that little ditch over there. It just drops off and it's completely over my bike. There's something right here.
Hold on.
I feel something on the ground. I don't know what the fuck it is. Oh shit.
It's already ruined enough.
Okay. Why do you have the GoPro, Jake?
It's dead.
The GoPro's SD card is full, and I forgot to bring my other one.
No, so this bike helps you.
You got it, Balin.
I'm underwater, everything. Balin's over there, about snorkeling deep. Chloe's over there, snorkeling deep. But not too bad.
Oh no. Oh no.
Holy shit.
Oh no.
You put that in the dry box.
Trouble in paradise. On my way back from Mudbugz right now. It's been a long, hectic day. I didn't get as much video as I would have liked to have gotten because I brought the wrong SD card for my camera and the water was deep pretty much everywhere, so I didn't really want to take my phone out too much. But I hope you guys enjoyed what you did get to see. We had a lot of fun. I only broke one thing, and it was the upper A arm to the hub. The bolt came off. So all I had to do was get a new bolt and put it on, and I was ready to ride again. So I'm only down for about 10 minutes and we were back riding again. So we will catch you guys in the next video, hopefully not too long. We actually have a decent bike that's good in the water now, so. But with that being said, everyone subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment what you'd like to see next, and I will catch you all later.